The 5018, okay? The 5018 is a brand new also machine made for construction. The very good things on this machine is we have two versions with common engine, 303 and 304 for European in US market, and 303 for Latin American and other markets. We can use a different kind of attachment on this machine, like a bale clamp, like a platform, like a jib, or of course the forks. This machine also comes with the Cummins engine. Okay, the Cummins engine, same like the small machine, the 3507, is coming with the Cummins engine, heavy duty application, and the reverse. We have the option also to put reverse fans in the case the customer need it. So we can use in the same way. We have a diagnostic port here to diagnose the engine in case we have any failure. So the machine is very reliable. They coming with original filters. We use all original parts to keep the machine safe and under warranty of the manufacturer. Okay, let's talk about a little bit about the cab on this machine. The cab on this machine is they have a new concept of joystick, which make the machine more reliable in terms of operations. So we have the new design of joystick. The joystick is totally adaptable to the hand of the operator, so you can work and you have an armrest, so the stress of the operator will be less because you have a more maneuverable system on the joystick. Also, it's proportional, so if you pull the joystick, the engine will be accelerated automatically and the machines will be completely safety and reliable in terms of fuel reduction. So the machine coming with suspension seat, which make the operator very comfortable and long operation hours. So let's talk about the new